Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel.
Oh wow!
Today, I'll show you how to make a cute little dog using just one pipe cleaner. It's very easy to make, and the result is super adorable. Let's get started. First, take a 1 meter long jumbo coral fleece pipe cleaner. Use your left hand to measure a section about the length of your palm. Wrap the pipe cleaner around your index finger 3 times, from back to front. Slide it off, then place it around your thumb. Thread the long end through the hole in the center. This will form one ear. Adjust it with your fingers until it looks even. Thread it through once more to form 2 ears like this. Bring the long end around the back, then thread it through the second hole like this. Adjust the shape as you thread it through. Fold the long section out to both sides to make the 2 front legs. Fold the back legs out to both sides in the same way. Shape and adjust the body, then fold the tail into place. Bend all 4 legs forward. Shape the tail into a smaller curve. Bend the head forward and shape the ears so they droop down. Adjust the overall shape until it looks even and balanced. Once the frame is finished, it should look like this. Use scissors to trim the fuzzy fibers and make the head rounder. Trim a little at a time and repeat if needed. Trim the forehead neatly. Trim the fibers to shape the ears. Trim clear lines between the head, body, and all 4 legs. Now the dog's fur is fully trimmed and neatly shaped. Apply glue and attach the eyes and nose to the face. Add a little pink color inside the ears, on the cheeks, and on the paws. Add some decorative accessories if you have any to make the dog even cuter. Carefully singe away the fibers on a black pipe cleaner, then bend the wire core to make the glasses. And our little dog is finished. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more new videos.